Good morning everyone. My name is Kanika Chaudhary and today in the activity of birds, I am going to speak on Blue Jay bird. Blue Jay bird is social songbird. They live in North America. Blue Jay birds are amazing mimics and are able to replicate a wide variety of sounds, including man-made sounds as well as those of other animals' sound. Blue jays are known for their intelligence and complex social system with tight family bonds. Blue jays' favorite food is peanut and acorns. They are omnivores. Blue jays' color is blue. Female and male blue jays look the same. Blue jays have straight and pointed beak. They act like a natural alarm system for other birds. Newly born blue jay start flying